Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to automate or automatically shut down your Windows computer, right? And this works for Windows 11 or Windows 10, whichever one you need it to use for. Now you can use the automatic shutdown for whichever purpose you need it, whether you're using your computer late at night and will simply need to shut it down after some hours, or it could be that you need to leave your computer to run a particular task, but then you need to leave it and go to sleep, and you don't want to have your computer running all night, and so you want to have it shut down. So whichever scenario, whichever circumstances that you want to have this shutdown, you can use this to do the automatic shutdown. Now, if this sounds interesting for you and it will be useful, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out. Now, how do we do this? Simply click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you want to type in Task Scheduler. Now, once you start to type in Task Scheduler, you will see the application here by the name of Task Scheduler. It's a system application. You want to click on that. Then on the right hand side, guys, you want to click Create Task, and you want to start by giving your task a name. So you can name this whatever you want. In this case, I will call it Automatic Shutdown. And then you want to click on the next section that says Trigger. Now, once you do that, you will be able to create a trigger. Now, what the trigger does is basically allow you to set up a time when you want this to occur. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, for example, daily here, and I'm going to ensure that I have it turn off at midnight. So this is, for example, I want this to turn off at 12 midnight, right? So I will leave it on AM. So 1 minute after the midnight, it will turn off, right? So that's how you basically manage this, and this will happen every day, or you can change this to every 2 days. It's totally up to you, whichever time you want. And as I said, you can change this to weekly, you can change this to monthly, and the more you do it, you have the different options to modify it deeper as you wish. So for the monthly, you can change the month, days, and you can also play around with the on there. For the weekly, you can choose whichever day you want, as you see here as well. So very easy stuff. Now, once you choose your timing, you want to ensure that the enable is set, and you want to go ahead and choose OK here. Then you want to move on to the actions, guys. You want to click on new here. You want to ensure that the action is set to start a program. Then you want to give this a name. So you can call this action shutdown, and then you want to add an argument. Now, the argument that you want to add, guys, is this, and I'll put it within the description of this video. You want to type /s space /f space /t and the 0, right? So it's /s space /f space /t and the 0, right? Then once you do that, simply click on OK, and then you want to click on OK again. And that's all you have to do. Now your task is scheduled, guys, and in order to see the task that you schedule, you simply go ahead and click on the left hand side where you have Task Scheduler Library, and you want to go ahead and look for the task that you have created. So now, as you see here, this is a task that I created, and it's in a ready mode so that it's ready to trigger at the time that I expect this to do so. Now, if for any reason you need to stop this task or delete this task or pause this task, all you have to do is just simply click on the task, and you can play around with these options here on the right hand side, which is run, which is end, disable, and also to delete. Or you can simply double click on it and you can make the changes as well. So if you click on it, you can also go ahead and click on the actions here, and you can click on delete to ensure that it will not happen. Or you can simply right click on it and you can end the task, you can disable the task, and you can delete the task. Now, in my case here, let's say I don't need it anymore, I will simply click on delete the task. Then I'm going to click on yes, and that will automatically delete the task for me. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you can set up automatic shutdown for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.